everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make another layout on camera, and if you remember last week I made this one and I show you what I do to save the paper that is hidden under the pictures, that is cutting that paper. So I'm going to do the back side of that paper, and I'm going to show you how I cover these holes. I like to keep memorabilia, so I have this beautiful card that a friend of mine sent me for my birthday with a present, and the balloons that were tied to a chair during the celebration. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pocket. Again, I want to make quick layouts, so there are other ways, more sophisticated, to keep your memorabilia. But again, I'm taking the easy and the fastest way, so I'm going to make kind of an envelope. So I chose this paper, which I think matches perfectly with the background of the page, and I cut this rectangle and these two triangles. Sorry. As I have two sheets of this paper and I had to use them very carefully not to run out of paper, this triangle is shorter than this one, but as it's hidden you don't notice it, and I think it looks great anyways. I've already distressed the borders. In this case I use what I've been using lately to replace chalk ink, which is eyeshadows, and I love it. I love because they are so cheap. I buy them from China on eBay and they last forever and the look is great, so I'm saving a lot of money. I've already placed this word treasure that I took from this October afternoon. The collection is Treasure Map. You can read it here. And it's for boys and pirates themed, but I wanted the word treasure because for me those mementos are treasures, so I used that word and I added it here, and I went around the letters with a glitter gel pen to make them stand out a little bit more. So now I'm going to glue everything to the page. I'm going to use, I've been having problems lately with the, you see, that's what happens, the caps come out and I don't know why. What's the mystery? So I'm going to do this very carefully because last time, maybe you remember, I made a mess. So let me see, I'm going to add a few dots of glue. I'm not using the glue dots that I told you the other day because they are kind of thick and I want this to be really flat on the background paper. So I'm spreading the glue with my finger, which is a great tool, free. And now I'm going to place it here. Now I'm going to add these kind of flaps, the triangles that form the pocket. Again, very carefully. I made a mistake. If I place glue here, I'm not going to have a pocket. So I don't need that area to get glued. Just these two sides. Because I need the pocket to be open. I will probably add more glue later, but I want you to see the idea. And now I'm going to add this one. Okay, here we go. Looking good so far. No mess. Perfect. A little bit of pressure. And the pocket is in place, but not ready to be used yet because I need the glue to dry. Otherwise, when I place place all the things inside, it's going to come out. But for you to see, this is what I'm going to do once the glue is dry. I'm going to place this inside. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Inside the pocket. But I have to wait for the glue to dry. So I'm going to remove this. Use your imagination and pretend that everything is inside the pocket. The envelope. Now I'm going to decorate the rest of the page. I'm going to use this border. Here. Like so. And I love this border also. This is the Bundle of Joy stickers from Eco Park. Eco Park is one of my favorite brand of stickers. So I'm going to add this here. Now I want to add some balloons there. I have to remove these pieces so the background is going to be visible. I'm going to add them here. Yeah. I'm going to add, I think, this air balloon. Let me see if I like it. Here, yes, here. Okay, I want to add some banner. I think this one is going to look good. Here. Okay. And what else? Maybe the word birthday here. Oops. Yeah, I really like it. This is it's a celebration from Carta Bella, another great brand. And I brought this because I was planning on using It's Time to Celebrate, but I think it's going to be too much. Let me see. I place this here. Yes, I like it here. So I think it looks good as it is. Let me see if there is any other element I would like to add. No, I don't think so. There are so many beautiful stickers. I would like to use them all, but I think this is enough. Otherwise it's going to be too much. So another very quick layout. It took like, I'm looking at the camera, the time counter, 12 minutes, like 12 minutes. Okay, I had already distressed borders, so let's say 15 minutes. And another great layout, a nice way to keep mementos and memorabilia from the celebration. And let's move on to the next one. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not a subscriber already. That helps me grow this channel. And ring the bell so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video, which is usually on Mondays, but you know, this is the season, so I've been very busy decorating my house, and I can promise that during this month I'm going to be able to upload on Mondays. And there are a couple of challenges coming, so I will probably upload some other day during the week. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video, and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.